Data powers the world around us, so downtime isn't an option. Not for you, not for your customers, but the data-driven world is only getting more complex. You need a trusted partner with the global reach, experience, and intelligence to turn AI-enhanced services into outcomes that deliver real impact. Vertiv is a world-class leader in servicing and providing solutions by combining global scale with local precision. With a worldwide footprint of over 300 service centers and thousands of service engineers across 6 continents, we consult from the very beginning, letting you deploy faster. And we're there providing lifecycle maintenance, so you can optimize your operations for multiple generations ahead. Designed for agility, engineered for scale, and delivered with precision, Vertiv Services help give your critical digital infrastructure the resilience it demands. Every day, Vertiv Services executes with the expertise needed to meet the demands of today and the growth of tomorrow. Start seeing complexity for what it really is: opportunity.